guys. Hey, it's Happy Teach again here with another video. Hey, so I wanted to show you guys how to navigate inside of our class collaborate session. So here I am. I'm in announcements. Your screen should look just like mine, unless we're in a different class. But as far as the class for this semester, which is where we're in February of 2022, yours should look like this for my graphic design level 2 students. So in here, you'll come in here, you'll see like the announcements. So when I make sessions, each class, sometimes there are different names. Like for one class for our session, it might say class collaborate. For you guys this session, I wanted it to be more personal to you. So I have meeting space and student hours, meaning these are your hours. This is your meeting space. So that's why I named it like that. But if you're in a different class, it might say collaborate session. I do plan to change them all to this, but I haven't yet. So anyway, but this is where you go. You go over here to the left. You'll see where we have the name of our class. For this one is graphic design 2. You can go down and you'll scroll down, and somewhere in this area is always going to be, notice how these lines are here, they separate the sections. So it's always going to be in this first section. That first section starts from the title of the class all the way to that first line. So we're always going to be in there somewhere. So where we are is if we go down here to meeting space and student hours. So for this class, that's what it's called. Like I said, for other classes, it might be something different. All right. All you have to do, super easy. Check this out. Click. Oops. Click the right thing. Click the right thing. All right. Click here. And then it's going to take you into Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. And typically, this is the only room that I have open. It is open 24/7. You guys can go in here if you want. That's why I called it your space. But all you have to do is click it. And then once you click it, it's going to activate this menu over here to the right, which is going to give you some more information, like if you needed to dial in or things like that. But we don't. Choose join course room. Just click on that. And now we're going to be entered into the course. Here we are. So you're going to be greeted with this welcome screen that says, "Welcome. You're the only one in the room." Yay! No. But anyway, so this welcome screen. If other people are in here, you'll see like their little icons or talking heads and stuff like that. All right. So down here at the bottom is where you can check your status, like your internet status. Like if we say, "Hey, you're breaking up." See, I'm green right now, and I got the check mark, which is what you want. But if you're starting to see yellow and red, that means something's going on with your service. And you can actually click right here, and it'll show you like your network. Is your network happy? This, that, and other. But you can also give them feedback of what's going on, with my network and stuff like that. All right. So you can activate your microphone here. You can activate your camera here, and you can raise your hand. So if I'm giving a lecture, or your teacher's giving a lecture or whatever, you can raise your hand and say, "Hey, I have a question." But it's super simple. Over here to the right, you're going to see this purple tab, purple rounded tab with the 2 arrows. Just single click on that. It's going to open up, and you're going to get to where your chat. So this is how you chat with each other. Cool thing about this chat, it's got formatting options you don't have with many chat rooms, so that's kind of cool. You got your emojis, your bold, your italic, your underline, but you can just chat back and forth, which is cool. Ask questions, talk to each other, what have you. You can also see the attendees. You see how it has one, because I'm the only one here right now. But what's really important for you guys are these two right here. This one is just share content. This one is your settings. Let's go ahead and click on share content. And I don't have anything presented, and I don't have it in the mode that allows you to share your screen, but I usually will give permission. So if you see this and I say, "Hey, share your screen," and you're like, "I'm not able to," all you have to do is say something to me and I'll allow you to share your screen. All right. And then so your settings, you click on that, and now you have the options of like changing your audio and your video, your microphone. Like if it's whatever, if you have 2 mics and we're like, "Hey, we can't hear you," you can check here to make sure it's at the right mic. Or if you have 2 speaker systems, like your headphones and your speakers, you can check here to make sure it's the right headphones. And pretty much that's really all you need. I mean, we haven't played in these areas much with my classes. I'm not sure if students have, but I really don't think so. But if they have, that's cool. But the session settings, if you need to report an issue, like something crazy is happening in your collaborate session, you can report it here, and you can also get chat support. So that's kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close that one, because all you got to do is click on the X to collapse it, and we can go over here to the left where we have this open session menu. And here is where you can also talk about Collaborate. Like if you like it, kind of rate it, sort of like you do with Amazon and give them a rating. You can also get some help. This one will take you to, I think, a help website. You know, if you had some issues or whatever, you can report an issue. You can also use your phone for audio. So I think the way this works, or the way it's worked before, is you click on it and it'll call your phone. What? Okay. So then if you're done and we're done with our session, you just click on this leave session button and it's going to take you out. It's going to always ask you for a survey. So you tell it how, and I always give it an excellent if it's good, if it's not, I don't. But you can click on excellent, submit it, and then you're out of here. But that is all you have to do. It is super easy. So whenever you have a collaborate, if they say we have a class collaborate session, that's what you're going to look for. Usually the word collaborate's in there. But like I said, I made it yours. So I kind of just made it your meeting space or what have you. But that's it. I just want to give you the quick down and dirty of how to go into Collaborate. And I will see you next video. Ta-ta for now.